How are they operating? They interact with the world in pictures, right? Visual is very powerful for them. And when it comes to us and what we want, they are looking at context, right? Where am I? What is around me? Because that's information. That's information that tells them what's happening. Cues, right? Things we say or things we do. What we do, how we look, what we do with our body is very powerful information for them. Look exactly like you're going to do in the ring. Mark, wait a couple seconds, reinforce. All right? It's for some reason it's really hard for people. I think the reason it's hard for people is because people feel like they need to give the dog the cookie or toy the second they mark. And that's wrong. That is not correct. Marking tells the dog what you just did is correct. All right, so it's just the two of us training together. We don't even have ring gates here. And we're going to do gloves. So this is my transition that I would do in the ring. We're transitioning to where we're going to do gloves. And I'm talking to her and doing what I would do in the ring, which is keeping her calm, telling her that we're going to do gloves. My training partner is going to do only what a judge would do. We're not going to have a conversation about the weather or about the Super Bowl or about Westminster, right? No, he's going to say what the judge would say, do what the judge would do.